What's going on, guys? My name is Rajeev Kugan and thanks for checking in. See, this video is a bit different. You know, at the end of every video, I said I have something special coming. Yeah, well, that's what this is. See, we all want to create and build things all the time, but there's always something that prevents us. We get busy at home, we get busy with work-related stuff, we get demotivated by all those trolls online, or you know, we just get lazy. We're human, you know, our batteries shut down sometimes, so which is perfectly normal. But tell me why that we're always making excuses or finding a reason not to do something. Like this video right here. It took me over 6 months to sit my butt right here and record this video. I wanted to do it. I told my friends, I told my family, I told like-minded creators that, you know, I'm doing this new initiative, but why didn't I get around it? And the truth is, as much as I put family in the forefront and you know, my wife and my daughter comes first, I know I had downtime. 100% I know there were days where I was just doing nothing. At one point, you just gotta accept that you just have to get yourself on the seat and get it done. See this moment right now, right here between us, me and the camera, and whoever's watching eventually? This is what you call passion. This is what you call the desire, the need, the want to get yourself out there and do something. Passion to me is the most important element in what I like to call the driving forces of creators. And you know, I don't blame you. You're probably wondering what this guy rambling about, where's this tech, why is he talking about geeky stuff? And that's not what this is about. This video is a total open dialogue, hoping to have a quick little session with you guys to kind of introduce something new, as well as, you know, give you my side of the story, my share, my experience, in hope that eventually it helps you guys, you know, get your creative juices together, get your butt out there, and start doing what you love. See, I was never the public-facing type of guy. I was a dude that sat at the back of the class in hope that the teacher won't find me. I was a dude, the group member, the kid that always wanted to do the cool PowerPoint slides, you know, and be the clicker in the presentation, just so that I don't have to sit in front of 100 students and present myself. I was too shy to even open my mouth and have a conversation with a group of peers for some odd reason. And believe it or not, I've actually been in the YouTube community for over 6 years. But where was I? I was the creative guy behind the scenes, not wanting to be in the forefront, kind of hiding behind the camera and just saying, listen, I'm the techie, I'm the creator, I'm the shooter, I'm the editor, that's it. Just me overthinking it, you know? I don't look good in front of the camera. I'm not meant for the camera type of world, and I don't sound that good. I sound good when I talk, but when on camera, I don't sound that good. See, if people have accepted for who you are in life, in person, then this here shouldn't matter. You know, it's just a medium projecting you, and you're still the same person. And yes, this element called passion doesn't pay. Sometimes it doesn't give you the best return, or sometimes it's limited to none. We have to accept that, and that's what the best part of it is. It's not about that. It's about here. It's about what's inside that you want to put out there, and the creativity that you're willing to put based on everything you learn, your experience, everything, you know, combined into a bucket that you just take and put out to the world. And see, that's when you have to realize that, is this meant for you? Are you the type of person that can understand that not everything is going to be perfect, but it all comes down to how much you're willing to push yourself. Do what you love, do what you want to do, make it a business if that's what you want to do, and enjoy, you know, just have fun. That's all it is. I create videos because I want to have fun. I don't create videos for the sake of creating. If that's the case, then I wouldn't even be doing this. This is just a waste of time for me. I love doing this. The best part of actually recording a video is editing it. I love editing. I love telling my story on a creative way in a digital platform, you know, and that's what drives me to do these things. It's the enjoyment. The satisfaction of someone appreciating your work is enough for me then, you know, from a monetary standpoint. Now, don't get me wrong, if you want to pay me to do some work, let me know. I'll be happy to do it, but you get what I'm trying to say, right? Your driving forces shouldn't be the dollar sign. You know, it should be from here. It's the passion. And once you figure that out, cha-ching, I'm just joking. And see, that's the purpose of this video. It's pretty much a foundation for a platform for individuals, you know, like ourselves, to pretty much get the opportunity to tell their story, to share their experiences, and eventually get the spotlight that they deserve. I want this to be on an individual basis. I want creators to let other people know what they do, what they can do, and how they can be, engaged to build more things together. Like, that's the whole point. Again, it's just my passion. I'm gonna give this a shot. And who knows, you take this as a digital stamp you put online that eventually can turn into a career, and you kind of just, tell the world who you are and what you can do from a creative standpoint. See, as much as it is an initiative, I like to see it as a pilot project, something that I want to give a shot. It's called Passion versus Creators. You're probably wondering, what does that mean? Well, simple as this. If you're willing to wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, get your gear set up, drive 1 hour north so that you can get that 10 minutes of a sunrise, then that's passion. If you are a group of friends that are willing to put a hashtag together to create a meetup and have a bunch of strangers and friends and like-minded creators and artists and filmmakers and shooters come together just so that you can network and engage and have fun, that's passion. If it makes you feel like a kid again, to pull that controller out and throw your drone in the air and just have fun, then that's passion. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. I think we're good. I didn't expect this to be a long video, so I hope it's not. I have no script. Here's a fun fact. I actually write all my tech reviews and I don't read them. I don't know why. I can't follow it. I can't follow my own script. Weird. I don't know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful in some way and you got super amped now and you're gonna go and start shooting. I hope that's the case. If not, make it the case. And if you have any questions about this initiative, or if you want to be part of it and use this as a medium or a tool to engage, drop a comment below, let's chat. And as always, subscribe, hit that like button, and let's create. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.